here's your little save the grade extra credit assignment that you can do if you'd like. You're going to have 3 options for how you can go through the project. You can stop at 5 points, 10 points, or 15 points. This is an example of what the 5-point extra credit assignment looks like. You'll be able to get your first or last name, or both if you so choose, into a graphic kind of setup within Photoshop using the Type tool. If you opt to do 10 points, you're going to be adding in some additional layers with texture added with the Paint tool, and some different colors and blending modes on those layers. If you opt to go for 15 points, you'll also, on top of those original layers, be adding in an image layer that goes within your name. So again, you can start at the 5 points and continue on to 10 or on to 15 if you so choose. But to begin with, you'll want to start at the 5-point level to move your way forward.